Hey guys, I can't see my feet.
Rob, those aren't feet you're not seeing.
Like Santa's little helper is going for the big guy's job.
I was trying to be G-rated.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. F-rated.
Why is the lights dim in here?
Somebody's got a little crosshair.
Oh, I got a little
Somebody's
bit
gunning.
Did you already spill beer on yourself?
I did. I spilled a little bit of beer on my...
Man, somebody's gunning for the big guy.
My job.
I'm like,
Tom Brady in the Super Bowl.
I want to be Santa Rob. I'm trying to be like you.
Yeah, the head elf.
My name is Stanta.
Stanta.
You gotta be kidding me. Santa Rob?
Let's turn these lights on and start the video.
My cop must have come up with that one.
All right. Hey guys, this is a special edition video sponsored by Ohio Power Tools.
Every year we publish an annual gift guide.
This year we're doing the 12 days of
Toolmas. Starting on December 1st, we will publish one video a day for 12 days. And we're going to highlight a different tool every day.
These are tools we feel would make a great gift for that guy or gal that you're having trouble buying something for.
Absolutely.
Maybe they're a DIYer, or maybe they're in the trades.
Yep, absolutely. Either way, you'll be able to see all of these videos and tools on our Toolbox Buzz 2019 gift guide.
If you like the tool, you can find a purchase link in the video, description below, or on the website
I
gift guide.
can't see below. My belly's in the way.
Yeah, I know. Nobody can see that, Rob.
I'll tell you.
Need a microscope.
Hey, life
Wait
goals,
a second.
man. You can always hope
All
for
I
it.
can hear is this bell in my ears. I can't. It's horrible. All right. Well, look. Let's get started with the video. We are looking at what?
A Bosch 360-degree green laser,
Yep.
3-plane laser.
How much?
Say that 5 times fast.
Yeah, no
I
kidding.
can't.
Too much money. What are we?
Too much cider.
What are we talking about?
It's about $540.
Oh, that's okay. So I'm just gonna say, this is an amazing laser, and it solves lots of problems. But that's a steep price for a gift. So you gotta love this person you're giving this gift to.
It's got to be for a targeted individual.
Targeted.
Or
They're gonna know what they want. You gotta know what you're giving them.
Right.
This isn't just like a, this isn't.
No, this isn't a DIY or type laser. This is a professional grade laser.
So 3 planes, right? 360,
X,
3 planes.
Y, and Z. That's what we like to call it.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's
Wow. He's got a lot of gray matter between those ears of his.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Well, you have to be a pilot.
Yeah.
It's fleeting.
Awesome. All right, so like we said, 3 green lasers, 360 degrees. It's going to have one horizontal, 2 vertical. I like green lasers because they're bright as hell. They are way brighter than the red lasers that I've used.
Yep.
Way easier to use. I can see them better in the daylight hours.
Yep.
Yeah, if you want to bring down an aircraft, that's the way to do it.
Or Tom Brady in the Super Bowl.
Don't do it.
Right.
And also, I don't know what the distance is, but you get like better distance.
Yeah, this is a range, has about 200-foot range.
200 foot.
Actually, 330 feet.
Well, that's probably
130. You're literally at the other end of
the football field.
You're
No.
You're
Time
one
out.
end zone hitting
Time
the
out.
next guy.
That's 330 with what do you call it? The receiver. Thank you.
No.
Or a target.
Yeah, they yell LR, or what do they call it? The LR8, LR6 receivers. That's going to give you
beep 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 beep.
That's going to
beep,
give you
beep,
that.
beep,
Yeah. So you're not going to get 330 feet visual. I think you're going to get about
You might.
200 feet.
If it's dark. If you're dark, you will.
So let's talk about their space a little bit, because this is pretty cool. Right? So you can hang it. What's on the back of it? Magnets?
Magnets?
Magnets on the back. It's got legs on the front.
Yep.
Come out like this.
Yep. For
One
stabilizing.
I'm sorry. Seal over there? What was that?
It's like a seal.
Like that. See the seal legs?
Start clapping for it, right?
This is the cheap. I can't stand the beard anymore. I'm going.
It's like a little robot, yeah.
Right. And it adjusts vertically. So nice adjustment vertically.
And then those legs fold.
No, and that's
clips
nice. So you
into
get it close enough. A lot of them you slap the mount on and then you got to remount it every
That's
time you
right.
get to
That's
it. This
right.
one you get it close enough and now you have a nice adjustment.
And
So-
it locks.
This also goes on to that, and this is for a grid. So that'll click onto like a grid for a ceiling,
T-bar.
ceiling T-bar. Bosch, I had their, this goes back 3 or 4 years. I've had it, same laser, but it was red. It was probably the first generation. And it had a mount that went on a pole. And you could move the pole up and down, spring-loaded, kind of like the zip wall poles and those extended poles, telescoping. And you can move the laser up and down. It's genius. So I bet that these magnets would work on that pole.
Absolutely, yeah. They have a little detent in them for mounting either on a column or a
Right.
piece of pipe.
Right. You know what I do? A lot of
Swap
times
it out.
I will take a Simpson, like 16, 24-inch Simpson strap, and I'll put that on a stud wall. And then I'll just use the magnet to slide up and down, because it drives me crazy because you run out of range, right? So you can slide up and down here, but you only get what, maybe 3 inches of range?
Yeah, that's sort of like your toes.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, framing too. Look, you got a nice little eye hole right here just for a nail to just fit in and
A screw,
like
yeah,
it.
you get
Yeah.
through a screw or a nail in there, totally. But like you said, if you don't nail it within the 3 inches, then you're moving the nail or screw.
Right.
All right, 500 and what?
$40.
$540. Whoosh.
Ho ho ho.
Big whoosh. Yeah,
Yeah,
big price. We were risking putting this on a gift guide because not a lot of folks are going to spend $540.
Well, it's in the name. Professional, right there.
Yeah, it's a pro gift. So, what do you think? Good gift for a pro?
Great gift if somebody can use it and somebody's got the money.
Yeah, targeted gift.
Yep.
If they
Totally targeted.
If they're doing this kind of stuff, I mean,
Yeah.
it's what we say, the bee's knees. Is
This
that what we
thing,
heard
bee's
there?
knees. This thing is this thing is amazing for problem solving. It is awesome. If you know somebody in the trades and they're remodeling, construction, building, they're going to use this. They're going to appreciate it. They're going to use it. They're going to love it. I think it's worth $540. I think you make your money back on 3 or 4 jobs. Any stories with lasers?
Well, we
say
use them
lasers?
a tremendous amount in the commercial development world, commercial construction.
Without my beard on.
There you go. That's right. See, I can still see my toes.
Yeah, but you're using big lasers,
We're
right?
using large lasers. This is a little bit lighter and a little bit smaller than what we typically use, but it's a very high end for interiors and and would have a great use on the job site.
Awesome. I use those in remodeling. Hey, come here.
Hey, Santa's little helpers just showed
Hey,
up.
look who's here.
All right.
Looking for morsels.
Right.
The dogs found us.
They're still looking for Hops muffins.
We're looking for Hops Muffins.
They got one taste.
Okay,
It's okay.
charge the door.
All right, well, let's end the video because I think we've pretty much covered what we need to do. It's a great laser. It's high quality. It's pro grade. It's not inexpensive, but I think you're going to get your money's worth if this is what you use, what you do in the trades. Okay, I think that's it. What do you say we say goodbye, guys?
All right.
All right,
1,
guys.
2, 3. Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays. We can't get this right. Can we try it one more time?
We got
to get
like
it right?
12 chances
All
to
right,
get
ready?
this right.
All right. Happy holidays. Did we get it right that time?
I think so.
I think so.